What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today, I really don't have anything planned. I never really do plan my days anyways, but right now I'm just gonna go and pick up Anaya from her mom's house. Well, I'm gonna go pick up Laura first, and then we're gonna go for Anaya. And then from there, we're just gonna go to my sister's house because she called me this morning saying that my niece was asking for me, so. And they haven't seen Anaya in like a couple days, so. Yeah, and I still, haven't cleaned my house, I have to clean. Whatever. I don't feel like cleaning. I'm just gonna go pick up Anaya right now, and yeah, I'll pick up the vlog in the car or something. Pretty shitty day. It's raining, but now I'm on my way for Laura, and then I'll be going for Anaya. Gonna see my baby girl. So if you guys don't know, she goes with her mom for 3 days out of the week, and then I get her for 4 days, and then she goes back with her mom. It's a new schedule we're testing out, I guess. But yeah, see you guys in a bit. All right, so we just picked up Anaya. Say hi, mama.
No? Okay.
And it's pouring rain, guys. Oh,
It's pretty bad.
and my windshield wipers don't really work. I need new ones.
Why is it that every car you need to fix the freaking...
Because they don't fucking change them when I buy them. But, so now we're just on our way to my mom's house to chill with my sister for a little bit. And I don't know if I'll vlog that because, it's so awkward.
No problem. Yeah, it's pouring.
Oh yeah, and we got Laura too.
Oh gee, I wonder who's holding the camera.
I don't know. Alright guys, so I'm with my sister now. Belen. And right now we're just going to Costco because I need to buy things. We're planning Anaya's 2nd birthday. And I have no money for anything.
Let's think it's better.
No. Anaya!
I need freaking windshield wipers on my glasses. I have hella wipers right now.
That's why I said that we should like do those things for the glasses.
Because they get so dirty, you can clean them.
That's why I don't wear my glasses.
That's why you're blind.
On your rainy days, I'll be like, it's raining, I need to wear my contacts.
Oh, I need to go get contacts.
But I can never put in
I need to go get new glasses. I need to get my eyes checked again because they're like worse than they were.
Oh, you have a phone?
Call me.
No, you'll call back. Hi, Caro. Napkins where?
Dollar Tree?
Dollar Tree.
That sheep side.
You know what? I want to say.
Oh.
For your gender reveal.
We need birthday. We need party. Cake plates.
Oh, we didn't get any? I thought I got poppy ones.
You said. Oh yeah, eat it.
Say hi. Say hi. No? You want to say hi?
Or that Friday.
Do you like your candy? Yeah. Caroline, are you vlogging? Let me see. Are you taking selfies?
Camila, Mama, let's take a picture.
Is it good?
No.
No? So what are you doing?
Just checking all the fluids.
Checking the fluids or whatever the fuck they are. I don't know shit about cars, so I wouldn't really know what the fuck it's doing.
It's not coming up.
I only know about the oil thing. And I don't even know where the fuck it is on this
Oh
car.
shit, I do need power steering. Yeah, it's under. Okay, so I need windshield wipers. I'm gonna buy power steering today. I need to flush out.
Do you want to do that while I sleep?
We could, actually. Hold on. Okay, I need to flush out my radiator fluid and get new radiator fluid. I need to...
Damn, are these all the YouTube videos we're gonna watch tonight?
No, I know how to do all this. I watched them before. Okay, so let me check the oil.
See, that's the only one I know how to do. Or calculate, at least. Ooh. Oh, yeah, you haven't showed the car, huh? I'm not trying to show the license plate that much.
Oil's good. I don't know what this is.
This is his new baby.
Ya cálmate, cabrona. Te emocionas.
Hello?
What? I have an exhaust leak.
You lost your ball?
Yeah. Alright guys, so I just bought a new car. It's a 2013 Dodge Durango. V8 all-wheel drive. You know, the everything.
You know too much about the same car.
Well, yeah, I do. But we're gonna go real quick to O'Reilly's to go. You're not even vlogging me.
I'm sorry. You're moving the car while I'm trying
We're
to
going
do
real
this.
quick to O'Reilly's to get power steering because my fucking steering wheel isn't working. Well, it is, but. And yesterday, I was gonna vlog this, but like, I felt weird in front of like those guys.
Hold on one second.
I'm gonna hit it.
Bye. Oh,
Sorry.
just kidding. We're not leaving yet. Okay, bye. Alright, what's up? Sorry. I got interested in the car, not you.
I know you're only with me for my car.
No, I was with you before you even had furniture in your damn house, so relax.
Yeah, and now you only want me for my car. But
Whatever.
that car's fucked up. I got 2 new tires yesterday in the back. I got my rear tires because you know it was fucking $611 to get all 4 tires, and I was not about to spend that much because I don't have that much on me. So it was $305.
His savings just keeps getting smaller and smaller. And now with a nice party, it's gonna get smaller.
Yeah. So, but I need power steering. I need my windshield wipers because it's bad when it rains. You can't see shit.
That's true. That was today in the morning.
Yeah.
And now it's hella nice out. What the fuck?
It's bipolar out here.
Yeah, Mother Nature got me fucked up. Just on her period. This van's too big. I'm not used to it.
It's not a van.
Or this truck's too big. I'm not used to it.
But why? You're so used to being so low in the Mustang?
Yeah, because my car's short. And this one I feel super tall. I haven't... The only car that we have that's big is the Pathfinder.
You haven't been in your Pathfinder in a while?
Nope, since I got my car.
Oh yeah, porque ya no vas con tus papás, huh?
Yeah, dude, they just don't let me borrow cars no more. It's like, can I use this one? You're not going to use it today. Nope, it doesn't have gas. Okay, put gas. Like, no, there's something wrong with it. Yesterday, hey guys. Yesterday I was driving and it was it raining yesterday? Yeah, right? It was kind of wet. Anyway, so I did one turn to merge onto the freeway and my car just went like this. And the engine light started like flashing. And nowhere, I just stopped and my car was like perfectly fine. I'm like, okay, my car's fucked up. Like now that it's fucked up.
Are you sure it was your engine light and not your TCS light?
It was the one that used to be on before though. No, it's not the TCS, yeah. And that one just literally says TCS, so I know it's not that one.
Because that just means traction control. Because that happened in my Acura when I would go and it was wet and it would like it would turn on because it's traction
Fix my
control.
lipstick.
Like it happens in the Mustang, but in the Mustang it has a picture of a wheel because it's slipping.
Oh no. It was a little engine thing. I think that's the engine light. Shit, I don't know much about cars. Literally, I don't know crap about cars compared to him. He be talking he be talking hella like about V8s and I know V8 now. I know transmission fluid. I know the power steering. I know that now. But before he'd be like power steering, I'm like, what now? I don't know what the fuck he meant. Were we trying to get your eyebrows started today?
No, fuck that. I'm gonna die.
Come on, that would be a good clickbait.
It's okay. You already cleaned them.
Making you
yesterday.
cry.
You cleaned them yesterday.
They're not that clean, but I actually clean your unibrow, so that's fine.
There you go. That's all I cared about.
We don't want you getting a fucking full eyebrow. Frida Kahlo over here. This is what I mean about Mother Nature is on her period. It was literally sunny like 15 minutes ago. What kind of shit is this? Explain.
I don't know. Ask Mother Nature yourself.
Yo, homie. Turn it up.
Okay, ¿quieres ser mi paisa ahorita?
I am paisa.
Huh? Wait, what?
Now you're gonna marry me. Huh? Yeah, look.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, right.
Oh, this is the ring I got in
Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz. I can't really fucking show it. My nails look hella ugly. This is the ring I got in Santa Cruz.
At least the baby's getting a car wash.
Yeah, by baby he means that little one over there.
Alright guys, so we just left my mom's house and I'm letting her drive the Mustang. Oh, it's a little scary. And Anaya's just chilling back there.
She just woke up from her nap.
Yeah, so I'm kind of scared letting her drive, but you know, whatever.
I've driven the car before.
Just one time and it was scary.
That's because it was raining.
It was raining right now, but we're just on our way home now because I am tired. Been at my mom's house all day. It's hot in the car too.
It is really hot. Is the fucking heater on?
No, I just turned it off. It was on.
Oh, it's on.
But now it's not raining, guys. Like, what the fuck?
Mother Nature's just freaking on her period right now. I hate your brakes.
Why?
I just hate them. I was about to go and then I saw the hella cars on that side. I was like, oh,
Yeah,
no.
my brakes are like, ooh, look at that Mustang. Look at that.
That's nice.
Oh, fuck. It focused on the stupid dirty. I need to clean. The car needs a car wash, like, really bad.
Ready, ready.
No, Titi?
Oh, I'm sorry.
She wants to vlog.
I'm sorry.
Oh, Papa?
Oh, she wants Papa to vlog.
Hey, Mama.
Why can I vlog, huh, Naya?
So we're home now. I don't know what the last thing I said. I think I was saying that the car needs a car wash. But, look at her. Oh, no vlog.
You want up? ¿Quieres arriba?
Anaya's losing her voice. Vente. I don't know what we're going to do the rest of the day.
We're gonna go get my coworker some lunch, but it's like around 8:30 or no 7:30. Other than that, we're probably just gonna stay home
And relax. And chillax. And not do anything.
Are we gonna clean?
Yeah, I have to clean, but I don't know if Anaya's going to let me. Hopefully she does. ¿Qué haces, mami? ¿Nos vas a peinar?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're going to do her hair?
Yeah.
Okay, you do her hair.
Nada más no me jales el pelo, ¿ok? Yeah. Okay.
Your liga.
La liga fell off.
She's trying to put it back on.
Oh, okay. ¿Me estás terminando las trenzas, Anaya? Yeah, okay.
Oh, Tete.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Tete.
I see.
okay.
Guys, I need to clean my fucking house. Look at my kitchen. That's dirty. That's dirty. And then, let's look at Anaya's corner of the house. What is this? What is this? Yep. That's Anaya's corner of the house, you know. Well, her toys and stuff. Oh my god, there's a toy under the couch. Ah. Oh, you scared me. Vámonos, a la sala. Scared the shit out of me.
Yes, I was like, she's so scared, but she's like,
put some YouTube on.
always, that's all we watch. That's all the shit we watch.
That's a lie. All we watch is Netflix.
Ay, ¿qué pasó?
¿Qué pasó, mamá?
Oh, I bought the horchata thing. We just have to put water in it.
Horchata?
Yeah. You don't like horchata?
I do.
Yeah.
Who said I didn't?
And do you want chips? Do you want popcorn?
No.
Chips? Chips? Say chips.
Book.
Okay. I don't know what that was, but okay.
So we're just gonna watch TV for a little bit. Hopefully clean the house, at least a little bit, before we go and get her coworker food because she promised her she'll bring her lunch.
Yeah, because she covered my shift.
Oh.
And she has 2 kids, so I felt bad that she needs to cover my shift. So I want to bring her lunch.
So that's pretty much our day. It's oh.
I'm such a fucking idiot. Nothing happened, guys. I just sat on the floor for fun.
She hella fucking fell.
I slipped. There's a difference.
No, you didn't slip. You fell.
You like a nice hairdo?
Mm-hmm.
You've been trying to get your stuff done. You never came over. But yo, me and Sylvia came over, and there's no better day to come and visit parents than a Sunday because most people are.
What are you doing?
Off work. I know that they don't work today, but they're not even here.
Mama.
Yeah, her shoes. So I'm on the floor folding Anaya's clothes because I washed. I look over and she's putting on all the shoes. What are you doing? Yeah, shoes. Oh, okay. And now he's sleeping. Up, Mama, take them off. Off. You like my backpack?
Very, very fashionable, sir. Hey, you can be Fashion Week in New York?
Yeah.
How are you gonna strut? Oh, it's gonna be awkward. Just kidding. She's not playing the elevator. Ooh, thank you, ma'am. Stop doing that.
I don't do it on purpose.
Sometimes you do.
Sometimes.
I'm cold.
It's warm in here.
No, it's not.
Just is.
No, it's not.
Just is. Here, you. Okay. Oh, fuck. That hurt, Mama. Those look like mountains.
Those are clouds. It's crazy.
They look different in real life.
Oh yeah, they look super big.
I feel like we're gonna go into the darkness.
That's some scary shit, no lie.
It looks nice though. Oh shit. Look at how dark it is over here and then because the sunset's over there.
So this is how the day looks right now. Or the night looks right now. But that's crazy. See, at first we thought that shit was mountains.
Yeah.
That's creepy.
Can I get a number 2 with whole grilled onions?
What was that?
A number 2 with whole grilled onions. With Coke, no ice. And another number 2 with no tomatoes. With grilled onions and whole grilled onions.
Okay.
An animal fry.
And the drink?
Dr. Pepper, no ice. See, you got Wingstop for your coworker, but I was craving In-N-Out.
I know. She's very thankful when I got it there.
Riddler, his name is Batman, Joker, Riddler, Batman, Joker, Riddler,
No, thank you.
Mexican gang member names.
Uh-oh. You dropped your piece.
Alright guys, so I just finished eating. She's finishing up her fries. She put them away. I don't want to look like a gorda, but she still has fries. And we're just watching Fluffy. But pretty much that's gonna end our vlog. Anaya's just gonna go and play with her toy now. Ooh, shake it, mama, shake it. Shake it, mama, shake it. Shake it, mama, shake it.
Oh no. That's two. Just gonna vacuum. Just didn't clean today.
Anyways, the house got dirtier than cleaner, like we planned. But
I don't know how that happened. I was sleeping.
yeah, Anaya made a mess.
I don't know
thank
for
you.
like 30 minutes and they
2 hours. You fucking slept for 2 hours. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe if you are new. Share with your friends, and we'll see you in the next video.
Follow me on
Peace.
Instagram.